In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restrict someone on Messenger. So what does it actually mean to restrict someone on Messenger? It basically means that if you want to limit your interactions or if you don't want to talk to that person that much, then you can restrict them. Or if they're bothering you or annoying you, you can restrict them. If you don't want to block them completely, but you still want to limit your interactions, then restricting is a good option that Messenger has provided us. So what you can do to restrict someone is, so let's say if I want to restrict this person right here, I'm just going to tap on the chat and tap on the eye icon to open the chat info. And now from here you can tap on the three lines at the three dots at the top right, and you will see chat heads, delete conversation, and report. So you can all find the restricts option right here. But if you scroll down, you can see here under privacy and support, you can see restrict. So just tap on it and you can tap on restrict. So once you do that, this account will be restricted and it won't be visible anymore on your inbox. So once you do that, your account will be restricted. So your interaction will be limited with that person since they are not available on this inbox, or even if they message you, it won't appear on your inbox. And that's how you restrict someone on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.